Hi, today I'm with me DOOGEE T10 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel and here you find the just open these options. If you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change the positions of the icons, click here to this edit icon, and here we'll get down section with all of the invisible options. To add them to your panel, you should hold it and drag it to this up section by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. To remove some of these options, we should just hold it and drag it to the down by this way. And to just change the positions of the icons on this panel, you should just hold it and drag it. Then just click to go back to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.